Megan Purcell here, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about self-care. A lot of us are stuck in our houses. We have nowhere to go, and so now is a really good time to hone in on our skincare. So for me, as you can see from most of the videos on my channel, I am an online ESL teacher, and I also am a Senengence distributor. But being a VIP kid teacher, for me, I don't get up really early in the morning to teach and get like full-faced ready. A lot of teachers do that, and I commend them for getting up super early to do that. But for me personally, I like to sleep as long as I can, and then I just kind of roll out of bed, sip on some coffee, and then I start teaching. So it's really important for me to have at least decent skin since I don't get ready for my classes. So this is me, barefaced, all natural. So I want to come to you today sharing my skincare routine, specifically targeting under eye dark circles. So as a VIP kid teacher, like, we get up super early to teach, and so having like sleepy eyes as a VIP kid teacher is a bad thing. And actually, if you look on some reviews that VIP kid parents have left, was saying that their teachers had teacher sleepy eyes. And so that's something that we don't want. And so as a Senengence distributor, I do offer some amazing products for this specifically. And so I'm going to share with you my skincare, my self-care routine that I have adopted and really been focusing on during this quarantine time. They said it's really good to take some time and devote that to self-care during this stressful time. So this is just one way that I have decided to do that, and I wanted to share it with you. So I've already cleansed my skin. I like to do that when I'm showering because the steam kind of opens up those pores. But some things that I use today is the SeneDerm 3-in-1 cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin, but it is a cleanser with a slight exfoliator. It feels amazing. It cleanses, it gets foamy, and you can really feel it getting down under your skin and cleaning it, as well as getting rid of the surface dead skin. So I use this as my cleanser. It is gentle enough to use daily. It's really great. As you can see, I'm almost out, but it is the best stuff ever, and I love it. And then I like to exfoliate my face about every other day. So one that I've really been using lately is our SeneDerm Solutions Facial Resurfacer, and it also kind of polishes the skin. But this stuff is, it is an intense exfoliator, but man, it feels so good. You can feel it, like when you are rinsing it off your face, you feel this fresh, slick, smooth skin. It is amazing. And so this stuff I use like every other day. I don't want to use it every day, but I love it, and it is making my face feel so smooth right now. So I already did these 2 steps already. So now we're going to jump into something that I've been obsessed with, and that is our Gold Radiance Peel Off Mask. This stuff is awesome. It brightens the skin, it helps clean out those pores, and just does some amazing things. So I'm going to start with this bad baby right here. 15 minutes, let it dry, and then my favorite part, I'm going to peel it off, which I'm kind of obsessed with. Peeled off that mask and I kind of washed the little pieces off that I couldn't get, and oh my gosh, my face continues just to feel even more amazing. So that is basically my skincare routine that I do before I start putting on the specific products for the dark circles, and just for my face in general. So the first thing that I do after this, like after I have cleansed my face and exfoliated my face and then did the peel, which cleanses really deep down and just brightens up the skin, it feels a little bit dry, and so oh my gosh, this stuff, it is the Senengence Climate Control. It's anti-aging moisturizer, and it gets deep down under the surface. It's not just like a surface moisturizer. This stuff gets deep down under your skin, and it doesn't make it like oily. It's just like giving your face a fresh drink of water. Like, it feels like nothing else that I have ever used before, and so this stuff is amazing. So you can spritz it like this, but I don't like to do that, so I just do 3 sprays in my hand, and then I just rub it in, and oh my goodness, you guys, I wish that you could feel how amazing this feels. It's so amazing, and it's just like a light, fresh, clean smell, and so it's just like a calming smell for me. I love it. Actually, me and my husband, because he is working from home right now, and so I was getting ready one morning and he was in there and I was like, can I just put some of this on your face? And he actually uses our men's products, but I was like, can I put this on your face? And he was like, no babe, don't do that. And I was like, no, it's like your face gets a fresh drink of water. And he was like, fine. And so like I squirted some on my hands and I put it on his face, and he was like, feels pretty good. I was like, I told you. So this stuff is amazing. It just really makes your skin feel so good and hydrated, which is super, super important. And then so the next thing, this is where I really start focusing on the eyes. So this is the Brightening Multivitamin Treatment. This stuff is awesome. It's a light, kind of like citrusy smell. But there you can see it, and really that's all you need. So this is any kind of like discoloration that you have on your skin. You can use it anywhere, especially for like facial scars and stuff, but I've been using it for dark circles, and it's been helping so much, especially like my eyelids, because I feel like my eyelids do have some discoloration. And so like I just take some time to massage this in around my eyes, under them, around. Oh, it feels so good, and it works. It works really, really well. Really, really nice. Okay, so after that, I use, this is specifically for dark circles. It's literally called the Senegence or Sena Solutions SeneDerm Dark Circle Eye Treatment. That's specifically what this is for, just for those dark circles, and this stuff is the bomb.com. It really, really helps. I absolutely love it. So I let the multi-vitamin brightening treatment kind of set a little bit, so I want that to kind of dry before I go put on anything else. I'm gonna let it just really like soak in. And then I use just a little bit of this as well. A little bit goes a long way, And again, I just do that around the entire eye. And I'm sure if you guys have noticed, like I'm using my ring fingers to put things on around my eye. That is your most gentle finger. It doesn't pull on your skin, and you definitely don't want to pull around on your eyes. It's not good. So I use my ring fingers just to kind of rub this in and soak up into my eyes. Ah, feels so good. And it works. It works. Okay. All right, so there's a couple more things that I like to do. I always use our daytime moisturizer. This is for normal to oily skin. We have all these, most of these products, especially the facial products, they come in like the cleansers and the moisturizers, the night creams and all that come in different types of formulas for your skin type. So I'm pretty much normal to oily, so I use this every single day, just about a pump. You don't need a whole lot, and I just put that all over, and I like to put the moisturizer on to kind of seal in all the work I've done to my face. This just really just locks it in there and helps keep it where I want it. Feels really great too, and smells nice. Like all of their products just have a nice light smell to them. Nothing that's gonna be like overpowering. Just super soft smell. And then the last and final thing I've been doing to really hone in and focus on my dark circles, and that is our eye illuminator. So this stuff is also super awesome. I absolutely love it. There's some eye cream in there that helps like tighten up the skin around the eyes and work on those little wrinkles that we are so prone to get. And then it also has a little bit of a color to it, so it kind of conceals those dark circles, and I don't know if you can kind of see how it shimmers. So it just brightens up the eye, and then also has the formula of a really great eye cream. And so I put this on, and I like to just like pat it into that area of my eye, and I do it all the way around. I just put it on my lid up to my brow line, and I like to just pat this in. Nice and looks really nice and just helps brighten up that eye area. Oh. Okay. And I don't know if you guys can tell a difference. Like, it just really brightens it up. Makes it look better. Much better. So why I decided to make this video is I've seen a lot of people chatting about self-care during this quarantine time and how important it is to just take time for yourself and take time away from the news. And while it is good to stay informed, I know for me, like when I watch it, I kind of get a little uneasy, maybe some stress kind of starts to settle in, and so we need to be intentional about taking some time for ourselves and making ourselves feel good, and this is just one way that I have chosen to do it, and that is to focus on my dark circles. I used to have them, they were pretty prominent on my face, but I started using these products shortly before I got married, and it has made such a huge difference with my dark circles, and I'm super happy with the products. They work. I'll show you some before pictures of what I was kind of dealing with before I started using all of this stuff, so check that out. Learning what I'm currently doing to self-care during this crazy time of quarantine and social distancing, but I think it's really important for us to make time for self-care. So some things that I have been doing for myself is, of course, kind of focusing on my face and trying to take really good care of my skin, and that's just something that I particularly enjoy. It makes me feel good, and so I like to take some time to focus on that. And then I've also tried to work out every day here at home, and I'm doing that more now than I was before the quarantine, because, you know, I'm less active. I'm not going out and doing things like I was before. So I've really tried to make it a habit of working out every day and just taking care of my body. And then something else, I've been really trying to support my immune health. Elderberry juice is really good for that. They come in vitamins and syrups and stuff, so I've been trying to do that, to have an emergency packet every day, staying hydrated. These are all things that are really important for our everyday lives, but I think super important right now. And so these are just a few things that I've been trying to do. I do like to cook as well, so that's something else that I've been doing more of, to just kind of help relieve some of the stress and kind of try to feel normal, because I think like none of us feel normal right now. So please take some time to take care of yourself during this time. I think that it is super important. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video of my self-care dark circle routine, and if you are interested in learning more about these products or learning more about all the things that I sell as a Senengence distributor, we sell lip sense, which is that long-lasting lipstick that stays on all day long. I want you to check out my Facebook page, Southern Beauties, and all that is linked down in the description box. And then this is so important for me because I am a VIP kid teacher and I don't wear makeup when I'm teaching, so I try to take good care of my face. And if you are in that same boat and you are looking for some awesome face skincare routines to help repair your skin, brighten your skin, fix whatever skin problem you have, please reach out to me. We have a lot of products for whatever problem you're experiencing, and I would love to share those with you. So please, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to hit that thumbs up button, and then hit that little bell so you can get notified anytime that I upload a new video, and then bump this one up so more people can see it. And then if you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Yes, this channel is geared a lot towards VIP kid life, but I am going to start incorporating my Senegence skincare, makeup, lip business into this channel more as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed it and you subscribed. And then last thing I want you to do is to comment below and let me know how you have been taking care of yourself, doing some self-care things during this coronavirus and being quarantined and having to stay home. So I want to hear from you what you've been up to take care of yourself, because that is so important right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here next time. Bye!